I suppose we've got to give it a try. Quite sweet actually, and soothing. Not bad at all. Hi everybody and welcome to my kitchen shorts. There's nothing better than home remedy, so today we're making a cough and cold onion and honey syrup. Pause for ingredients you're going to need. First, I'm cutting some slices of my ginger, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. Next, take some sprigs of thyme, it helps fight respiratory infections. And slice 2 medium onions, natural antibacterial and antibiotic. Get a sealable jar and start layering your onions. Then the ginger and thyme. A final layer of onions, press them in to make sure it all fits, and top it all up with some delicious local honey. It is very soothing and moisturizing for your throat. Seal everything up and let it sit at room temperature for a minimum of 2 hours. The honey will seep through the layers of onion while they release their juices infused with ginger and thyme.